Welcome to part 3 of our journey on the Ernakulam Superfast from Bangalore. We are at the Erode Junction now, and we see the diesel locomotive that brought us here being taken to the trip loco shed, and the replacement WAP4 from Erode coming to take over charge from Erode to Ernakulam. We will now see the coupling and the raising of the rear panto and loco being readied for departure from Erode Junction. That's right, the panto. Now we are ready for departure from Erode. As most of you know, Erode has both the distinction of having both the diesel loco shed and the electric loco shed, and there are many WAP4s are homed at Erode, and here we see the empty rake of Trichy Erode passenger train being taken back to the rake yard just outside of the platform number 1, in which we are there.
The coaches of Erode Trichy local passenger service.
The Trichy Erode is a very important link and provides connectivity between the west line and the south line. Axle counters, and that's the view of the rake yard at Erode. The view of rake yard at Erode, and we come across the SPART. I always find it here, the SPART Erode, self-propelled automatic accident and relief vans and tool van and the supervisory van. The rakes are the empty rakes of the Chennai Central Erode Yercaud Express. Yercaud is a hill station near Salem. The distance between Erode and Coimbatore is 100 kilometers, and the train takes roughly about 1 hour and 45 minutes to reach that distance. Only one stop in between these two stations, which is Tiruppur, which is going to come next now. And Tiruppur is a very famous place. It's a home to the garment industry, and all multinationals and others have the export-oriented units located at Tiruppur. Loan WDG4. So Tiruppur is a very rich town, and being close by to Coimbatore, which used to house the spinning and weaving mills, but no more. Those days are gone now. We're just leaving Tiruppur. But now in Tiruppur you have the undergarment industry, which is a very flourishing trade. Inside this AC chair car, picking up speed towards we go to Coimbatore. We're now approaching Pyramid, a very important station. We don't stop here, skipping Pyramid at a reasonably good speed. We are slowing down for maintenance work on a bridge here. 20 kilometers speed limit on this section now, which will come up. Yes. So we cross the bridge and we would get into Coimbatore north. You can see the buildings there on the right. Coimbatore is a very important and a very flourishing and a very rich city of Tamil Nadu. used to have all the spinning and weaving mills. It used to be called the Manchester of India or Manchester of South India. The Manchester of India was the Mumbai city. And that's the Mettupalayam Nilagiri, Coimbatore Nilagiri Mettupalayam line which joins here, which is now a single electrified line. And that's the gateway to the Blue Mountain or the Nilagiri Hills, Coimbatore North. That's where it branches off.
Normally, yes, sometimes go to one hour.
And once we pass Coimbatore North, we get into Coimbatore and we pass through the railway station road, which will come up shortly. I was telling Coimbatore is a very important city in Tamil Nadu, an industrial town, and used to have the spinning and weaving mills, but no more. And it's an industrial town and is a gateway to both Nilagiri Mountain or Uttarakhand or Ooty, and is also the gateway to Kerala, because just after Coimbatore we get into the state of Kerala, and our journey will take you from there via the Palaghat Gap to Trichy and then on to Ernakulam. That's the station road, and there's the overbridge which is right next to the station, and we are approaching the main station. And as we approach, we see two locomotives, one a WAP7,
WAP7,
the WAP4. The WAP4, I presume, is linking the
12678 Ernakulam Bangalore Superfast.
12678 Superfast towards Bangalore. That's a counterpart of the 12677 on which we are traveling now.
2660 linking the 12678.
Yes, that is the train 12678. All by a similar WAP4 belonging to Erode, and this WAP7 is more probably that brought the Blue Mountain Express in the morning, waiting for it to get kicked back to Chennai Central tonight. So that is Coimbatore Junction, and after a very brief halt of about 3 to 4 minutes, we depart again towards Pottanur and then via Palaghat Gap to Trichy. Thank you very much for staying with me. Please subscribe, comment and share your comments. And thank you once again for watching. Have a great day and stay safe.